Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how can you add Pika Labs on Discord. So first of all, what you have to do is that you have to open up a web browser of your choice. Now, you simply have to search for Pika Labs Discord. Now over here, you simply have to click on the first link. So now from here, you very simply have to click on the option that says join Pika. So now you simply have to click on these options. I'm just going to click on skip, skip, and again skip. So now from here, as you can see, now you can very easily join Pika and create AI video based creations. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.